So someone recently asked me, what about Reiki and the law of attraction? And look, I gave them an answer, but afterwards I was thinking to myself, is that really what we want to do with Reiki? Do we really just want to use Reiki as another way to make more money? So I should clarify, the question was about Reiki and the law of attraction and making more money. And so the more I thought about it, the more I kind of felt uncomfortable with the thought of using this magical, divine energy from source as a way to make more money. However, I do understand that in the world that we live in, we need money to survive, right? There's no way around it. We need it. But what if we used Reiki and the law of attraction in a more holistic way? So there is more to life than money. There is more to success, there is more to prosperity, and there is certainly more to abundant living than having a lot of money. So what if we used Reiki and the law of attraction together as a way to lift our own vibration so that we attracted the things to us in life that we want, which may include money if that is what you need. So living a life just simply in pursuit of money doesn't support you as a soul, and it really doesn't support anybody else on earth. And we can see the evidence of that right now in the way things are unfolding on our planet. But if you want to live an abundant life, have everything that you want in life, including money, then you kind of need to become the person who attracts all of the good things. So, and I've spoken about this a million times before. You can be a total misery guts sitting at home and your energy is so low and so bad that the only thing you attract is more misery, more people with energy that matches your own, because energy speaks to energy. So if you want to live an abundant life, if you want to live a life with every good thing, including money, and you want to use the law of attraction and Reiki as your way to attract that life to you, then what if we use those two as a way to lift our own vibration and become the sort of abundant, joyful, happy people that attract more abundance and joy and good things to us? So if we were going to use Reiki and the law of attraction, we could simply use Reiki as a self-healing system, which is really the best way to get the most out of your Reiki attunement. So just begin sending the energy to yourself and asking the energy to cleanse you of energetic blocks that don't serve you, to cleanse you of and help you to release energy that is holding you back, that is keeping you stuck. When I use the Reiki energy in self-healing every day, my heart is just so happy and so full and so satisfied that everything else in my life begins to get better without me even having to try, because I am shifting my frequency. Now, if you wanted to marry law of attraction and Reiki energy, let's say through a vision board, what I would do is, when I am creating my vision board, I would call in the energy to lift my vibration so that, one, I can get to the truth of what it is that I want. Because there's no point in making a vision board or saying that you want things that you think you want because other people are telling you this is what it means to live an abundant life. This is what you should want. So I would be calling in the energy really before I even started with a vision board to help me get to what it is that I really want. And then once I've created my vision board, and you all know how to make vision boards, I don't need to talk to you about that. I would every morning when I am looking at my vision board, because you need to be looking at it and feeling into it and putting all that emotion of yourself into your vision board so that you can attract the things that you've put on there. Once I've created my board, I'm looking at it every single day, spending time with it, and I would be calling in the Reiki energy and asking it not to bring me the things that are on the vision board, but to help me to become the person that can embody that life, that can live that life, that can handle receiving the things that are on the vision board. So that's how I would use Reiki and the law of attraction. I would use it so that I became the person who was able to manifest those things, who had the energy that matched the frequency of the things that I wanted. Energy is everything. Energy speaks to energy, and your energy attracts energy. So if you've got all of these beautiful, high vibe, abundant, wonderful things on the board, or however you are using the law of attraction, if you have all these things that you want, ask the Reiki to make you become that person. And look, if you are a Reiki healer, if you have a Reiki attunement and you are here watching this video wanting to marry Reiki with the law of attraction, then I'm just going to go ahead and assume that you are not the sort of person who just wants money for money's sake. You have your heart and soul committed to your life and to helping others. So the more you are sending that Reiki to yourself and lifting your own frequency and your own vibration, the more you are actually helping the world, helping other people around you, because you are lifting your vibration, bringing more light, so much more light, which we need, onto this planet. And by doing that, you will then begin to attract the abundance, the money, all the other things, the good things that you want in your life. So go on, use Reiki and the law of attraction to create the abundant life that you want. Namaste.